everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing another abstract on abstract. I had a blast doing it. The initial 3-ring pour that I did, which I realized I've done for the first time. I've seen it so many times that I felt I'd done it already. But I did a ring pour and the colors did not, after the tilting and all, I got a combination of colors that was just not what I expected. It was beautiful, don't get me wrong, but not what I expected. So my goal had been to make an abstract face, cubist-style abstract face. But with the colors as they turned out, I regrouped and I decided to go the nature route. So the end result I am super excited about. Hopefully you will enjoy the process. Watch, thank you for watching. Like, thank you for liking. Subscribe and comment. I really love hearing from you guys, and ideas on what I should try next would be really appreciated. was I took some printouts and I kind of did this is what I lean towards. The tree may or may not happen, but this is what I want to do, is paint an abstract sun. And I'm doing curves so that, because this is so much curves, I don't want lines like typically go with cubism. So I'm going to draw out a little sun here along these lines and then go with it. I'm going to use these three colors, cadmium red, cadmium orange, and gold, to tie in with the orange and yellow here. So so I kind of walked away from this and came back, and these colors are way too bright. I let them dry. They're way too bright. So I'm going to add some gray to desaturate the orange and the red. Gold I want to keep as is. I'll change the color so it's a darker gold. So I will need to add something to it. I'll futz around with it and see. So I want to make the gold this color, and the orange and red I'm going to mix with this, and I'll be right back.